All right, today I'm going to show you how to change the rear brakes on a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Step one, put it in gear. So I put the jack on the lift point, and now I'm going to break the lugs on the wheel. So I busted all the lugs free. Now I'm going to jack the car up. And Lexi's going to demonstrate removing the lug nuts for us. Say hi, Lexi.
Hi.
We're going to put those in a nice little spot by the jack so we don't lose them. 1mm. There we go. Now I forgot my impact wrench, otherwise we'd be using that. But this is not my car. Now we got all the lug nuts off, we're just going to pull this tire off. Pull this tire off. You pull it off, you need me to. Alright, just roll it back there a little ways. And then, here's the brakes. Alright, so you can see the brake. We're just going to loosen these bolts and pop it free. So I'm just going to loosen these bolts back here and pull the caliper off. So I pulled the caliper off, and you can see brake pads right there. Not terribly, not great, but not too bad. So I'm just going to pull that brake out, and I'm going to pull out the rear brake. So interestingly enough, on the rear brakes of a Hyundai, it has this locking piston, and you have to put this tool in that fits so you can actually screw it closed. So you just put that little cube in there, and then you grab your socket wrench. Okay, once you get the caliper in, it takes about a minute of spinning to get it in there. You're going to spin clockwise and push at the same time. And then we can put the brake on. I put the brake back on. I'm just going to put the bolts back in and ratchet it back shut. All right, so I tightened up all the lug nuts, took it on test drive, and everything is great. Thanks for watching. Pretty simple video, but it's kind of a hassle. The biggest thing to remember is that tool, you actually have to put pressure while you turn to get it in. Other than that, piece of cake. If you have any questions or comments, let me know.